Okay, fellas, time for a little update on the headers, cats. My buddy came over last night and we were able to get that header off. Took out this cat here as well. As you can see, ready for sport cat installation. Couple of things. First of all, what you need is one of those wobble sockets to get to the angle for those headers. Like there's can't do it any other way. Those little knuckles are useless, but you need one of those little wobble socket. I think it's a little adapter, and you just put your impact socket on the end of it, and a ratchet with various lengths of extensions, and you can get to the bolts and they come off. You also need to pull wires 1, 2, and 4. There's no way to access those manifold bolts without pulling some of the spark plug wires. So 1, 2, and 4 got to come out and mark them so you know where they go when you're putting them back in. But the problem here now is that header does not fit. So this is the revelation, fellas. These headers are designed for the coupe. The convertible is, I guess the engine is lower. I'll show you over there, but it's basically lined up. I got 2 side bolts in there, just holding it in place so the angle is properly situated on the manifold. But it's hitting this this top member. It's hitting it. And on the convertible, this line here is sitting even lower. There's no way in heck or hell it's going to be clearing this. There's a bracket underneath here. There's just no way. They have to be a few inches, at least 1 inch on that side, I'd say. And this side, you probably need, a couple of inches, or the twist or something has got to be different. There's no way it's going to fit. This thing on the coupe is located on this X brace that comes over here. It clips onto it, and it's mounted in a different spot. So I'm going to try to, anyway, send those headers back. They're brand new. Anybody wants them? $400 US. But I'm gonna try to send them back. There should be no reason why they don't go back. They don't fit. They're brand new. But I'm going to keep the sport cats. Pretty sure 95%, if not 100% of the sound is coming from the sport cats anyways. A lot of the guys online, that's what they've been running, and the sound is incredible. And when you add the headers, I think it maybe gives it a slightly higher pitched tone, but I don't think it does anything for the aggressive or loudness of it. But anyways, let's come over here. You can see that over there. So over here, yeah, so there's the header, stock gasket we were using. But once you put this, you can listen. That what you hear when it goes into place is the underside of this, top side of this header hitting the underside of this piece here. So it's definitely not working. It's no way. You need convertible specific headers if they come out with them. From what I understand, American Racing Headers is working on a set for a convertible, but they won't be going on this one. So I guess technically this is the world's first convertible with headers. But they can't stay in. So this has to come out. Stock header is going to go back on. Sport cats will go in, and then we'll fire it up, and we'll see what she sounds like. I'm sure it's going to sound incredible. So that's that for now, guys. We'll oh yeah, plus I got a few other modifications coming that I can post up as well. I just won't say anything about them. They should be here this week, and that will be pretty cool as well. So until the next one, take it easy.